the wooden grain aroma diffuser. It is very popular in these markets, and especially for this shape. So we make the different size. This is 300 milliliter. This is 150 milliliter, and we have 500 milliliter. Will come out in the future. The material is ABS and PP material, and the surface make the wooden grain water transfer. So if you want to make maybe a little dark or other wooden grain pattern, yes, we can make that. So for now, let's show one by one, okay? Not one by one because they are the same one. So I will show you the different size, the different capacity. This is the 300 milliliter. First step, let's add some water. Oh, before that, let me show you the inner structure. This is the transducer, yes, ceramic transducer, and here are some the electronic parts, components in the PCB or fans, and some others. Okay. First step, let's add the water. The next step, yeah, this is a green tea essential oil. The green tea essential oil, I think it could sterilization the air and fresh the air. Cover it. And next step, let's connect, yeah. Okay, for now, here are two buttons. Yeah. This is the light button, and the mixer button have it could turn on this machine and have a timer setting function, 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hour. So you could set a time you like. Okay, one moment. Yeah, okay, give me legs. And let's test. Yeah, this is the big one, 300 milliliter one, and the light wooden green and the dark wooden green color. If you want to get the catalog, please feel free to contact us, and we will send you the e-catalog. And you can get more and more models from our e-catalog. Okay, let's try the small one. Yes, this is his son or his daughter. I think this is the daughter. This is his son. Okay, they are a very happy family. Yes, the same shape with just a smaller. Add water. Please pay attention to don't overfill the max line. Yes, we make a max line here. Please don't overfill the water over the max line, okay? Otherwise we are afraid the transducer can't have a good work. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, let's add the essential oil. Usually we will drop 3 to 5 drops essential oil. Then the next step, cover the small. Okay, have a mixed. Sorry, yeah, correct. Yeah, the mist. Yes, we set a beep sound to inform you it is working or you are changing some function. The light. Yeah. Let's see the fan mist. And I can smell a strong the green tea fragrance. So if you like the others, maybe most our friends like the lemon or other lavender. If you have some problem, you have you trouble in your sleep, maybe you can try the lavender. Yeah. If you want to print your logo on the back, usually we will on the opposite this position to print customer logo. For the logo, here are many ways to make, such as the leather or prints and some others. Yeah, usually we will make the leather logo or print logo. That is a very easy thing for us because we are a factory. If you like this family, please leave us a message or follow us. Maybe we will have more and more discounts or the price release as soon as possible. Okay. If you want to learn more about our products, please feel free to contact us. Okay. Thank you.